Welcome to AW Services. A bit of a hints and tips, vehicle based. I've got a Renault Trafic 2016 business. When I got my van, it only had one accessory socket. Being the business model, it comes with one. I think if you get the sport and any other variants, it may come with two. So I only had one socket. I want to use that things like additional beacons, phone charger, next base dash cam. So I've got a three-way accessory plug socket which hides nicely in there, but I wanted an additional one for other accessories if I need it. So in my van I fitted an additional 12-volt accessory socket in the original blanking hole in the dash. Bit of a job to take the dash and disassemble it. You've got to take the knobs off, you've got to take the bezel off around the radio, all of the air vents release, and I managed to get my hand in behind here to check there was nothing behind there. I couldn't find an additional loom for the socket because I think they're putting on a different wiring loom. So all I did is use the step drill. I found the center of the blanking hole that was there. I used the step drill to drill out 31.5 millimeters, and then couldn't get an OEM standard one anywhere, and even from a scrapyard nowadays they're so hard to get. So I just went and bought another Chinese version, which they've been very reliable. I've never had any problems with it. Drilled the hole, put it in, put the backing nut on the back, which was a palaver, but I did it and it's solid, it won't move. I've also got a 12-volt cover for that, which I bought from, I think it was Halfords, and I wired good quality cable onto the back of that one and soldered connections, and all I did is bought a piggyback spade connector and fitted it to that one there, so they're both on the same fuse. I don't really draw any more than 1 amp out of these anyway, but it was just nice to have an additional spare, so I now have 2 in the front of my van. So it is possible, you can do it. Electronics knowledge is key, and disassembling the dash, you need a degree in mechanical engineering for that on this model. But I thought I'd share that video with you. If you like this kind of stuff, please hit subscribe, help support the channel, hit the bell icon for notifications when I post a new video, and give it a thumbs up and a like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching AW Services.